Good morning, YouTube. We have some huge news for Normal Guy Supercar.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. And I had some huge news that I wanted to share with you. Instead of me explaining the news, I'm gonna let Adam explain the news.
I now work here full time. Woo!
Oh my God.
I know! You get to see more of me. Yay!
Adam, as of now, is a part owner in Normal Guy.
Exciting.
So he has made a horrible decision and gave up his job to come work at Normal Guy and take ownership in Normal Guy.
What was I thinking?
You're an idiot.
I must have been drunk as hell.
Dude, did a brick hit you in the brain? I mean,
Maybe. I don't know.
Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid? Why?
whether or not you like Adam, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of him and hearing more of his terrible dad jokes.
How could you not like the fro, though?
I mean, the hair is, look at that. That is a pretty, I'm jealous. I mean, look at this. There's nothing left. So,
What you don't have, I have for you.
Yeah, thanks. You make up for the lack of hair in this relationship.
Yep.
So if you didn't know, Normal Guy owns my position in Gated 6. So that means technically he is also now a part owner in Gated 6. So he'll be helping out with that. That's also true for the Garage Queen.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's like you just did the buy one get one free, or buy one get two free.
Spatula City! And this weekend only, take advantage of our special liquidation sale. Buy 9 spatulas, get the 10th one for just 1 penny.
Yeah, but I've been slumming it on this channel for years, working for free with the video recordings on the
True.
rallies and
True.
stuff like that. So hopefully it'll pay off now.
I mean, I wouldn't count on it.
Thanks. Way to make me feel good about my decision.
Well, like I said, it's a horrible decision.
It was a terrible
It's only
decision.
taken me like 5 years to actually be able to pay myself. So, you know,
At least it'll be fun. We'll have good stories.
true. So there's along with that another interesting thing, which is he is going to be the Sagwagon driver
Yes.
for the Supercar Devaluation Tour of Colorado in September.
So that means you won't have to lug your own bags.
We will have a truck and trailer. He's going to
Yep.
be driving that. So if you were worried about, like, will my car make it through the Colorado Rockies?
We have a backup plan for you now.
Yep. You get to meet him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
That's
you-
what everybody wants to do in their life is meet me.
Yes. So if you want to go on the Supercar Devaluation Tour of Colorado, go visit ngsc.me/Colorado 2021. I believe we only have 5 spots left. That's 5. So you probably want to act pretty quickly. Those are going to fill up very quickly, and then it's going to be solid. And I'm not adding any more. I already decided I'm limiting it. I don't want more people in that because it's just
No
too,
mas.
it's too much logistical challenges.
Well, that and the experience kind of goes downhill when
Yeah.
there's so many people that you're having.
Right,
to-
when you're waiting 5 minutes
Yeah.
to regather everyone at every single
Gas
turn.
stations and-
Oh,
yeah.
gas stations are a nightmare when you have
Yeah.
like 20, 30 cars.
When we went last year, there was how many cars?
I think it
9
was 12.
cars.
9 at first, and I think we ended with 12, right?
Oh
'Cause we-
yeah, because a couple of people joined halfway through,
Yeah.
and that was awesome. Like
Yeah.
that was the perfect number of people. You weren't waiting at gas stations, and almost everybody could make it through stoplights and everything like that. So it's
Yeah.
definitely worth the smaller group to
Yep.
to
yep.
do it.
We actually have some other interesting things that I think you guys will be interested. We are working on acquiring 2 projects.
What?
If everything goes right, I'm going to be buying it tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, which would be actually
Today.
when this video comes out.
Probably
So-
already.
Yeah. As of the time this video comes out, I probably have this project, and I'll be posting some videos about that very soon. So
And he wanted to give me crap about making poor decisions with my life.
let's just say it's probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. in my
Literally
life.
everybody we've talked to so far.
Oh yeah,
this is
everyone's like,
terrible idea.
"What? You want to do what?"
Gonna do what?
Stay tuned for that. And then there's also another project that we are hoping to acquire in 2 weeks. If everything goes right, perfect timing for Adam to join.
I'll still be able to process all your orders, so you
Right.
can still
Oh.
buy supercar parts online.
And that reminds me, another change. When you guys need parts for supercars, or if you want to email for quotes and things like that, instead of emailing me directly, please now email sales@normalguysupercar.com, because that goes to both of us. And that way, whoever's free or working that day, you know, because we don't really work here, but whoever's manning the emails can respond to you. And in case you're curious, you know, Adam's kind of a Porsche guy, so I wonder if we're gonna do Porsche stuff. We are. Don't give it away. You're not supposed to say anything. Stay tuned for all that. But I guess that's kind of about it. I mean, I don't know. You got anything you want to say, Adam? You want to do a song and dance? You want to, you know, like?
No.
Is there anything that they should? I'll tell you what. Tell us one fact. I know a fact, but I want you to tell me this fact. What's one fact that no one knows about you?
Dan was incredibly surprised that I told him I wanted to be home in time for Jeopardy today after we made this video so that I could watch Jeopardy. Jeopardy is awesome.
If I'm looking at that correctly, that is you, I take it, defecating on my grave. It was right after I had sex with your mother, Trebek.
So you are like an uber Jeopardy fan.
Yeah, I like the Tournament of Champions. I don't like missing. Yeah, it's good stuff.
What did you do when Alex Trebek passed? Did you like
I mean,
send a memorial?
no, I didn't do anything like
Did you
that.
shed a tear?
I mean, it was sad. I mean, the dude
You
was
cried.
like,
You
no.
probably hold yourself up for a week.
I went fetal.
How about one car-related piece of information that no one knows about you, or at least none of them know about you? How many cars have you owned?
My first car was a 1995 Saturn SL1. I got that when I was
Saturn Crew.
Yeah. That car survived 2 floods and was still kicking right up until it decided that it was done with its life. And then up in Alaska, I had a 1994 Pontiac Sunbird because that thing had a remote start on it. And in Alaska, that's worth its weight in gold.
Oh, hell yeah.
I left that in Alaska. I didn't take it with me. I bought it for $500. I think I sold it for $400. So
that's pretty good.
$100 to drive it for a year with remote start in Alaska was pretty awesome. Then I had a 03 Jetta, Volkswagen Jetta.
Okay.
Then I had a 97 BMW 328 IS. I missed that car. That car was awesome.
Those are all right.
Because that was before BMW went overboard with all the electronics and everything like that. My wife drives a 2012 Hyundai Genesis, which is, I actually think it's a pretty cool car. We have that Super Duty truck you guys have all seen. We have the Porsche. I had a Lexus IS350, and I had a Ford Fusion. And then we also at one point had a 1995 GMC Sonoma. That thing was awesome.
I was not expecting that one. Would you ever buy a Ferrari?
If I owned a GT3 RS, that's like my car that I want.
The dream. What model GT3?
Like a 997.2.
Okay.
If I have that, at some point I would consider a Ferrari at that point. But I have to have that before I have a Ferrari.
Okay. Well, we should try and make that happen.
Let's hope so.
You know, maybe we can buy a Project GT3 RS. Although I somehow doubt we can afford that right now. Massive changes to Normal Guy. Huge welcome to Adam for making terrible decisions with me and joining me in this stupid journey. So
misery loves company.
Yes, exactly. That is exactly right. We will be doing a road trip to pick up the second project vehicle in about 2 weeks, so we'll bring you along the way. That one I think you guys are gonna love.
You better.
It's something I've been dreaming about doing for a long time. We're gonna do all of the work on it that it needs in his garage.
Because I have a lift.
Because he has a lift, which it has no air conditioning.
But that's more the normal part of Normal Guy.
It's like we got like half and half. If we could just merge the two, we got the air conditioning and the lights here. We don't have the lights and we don't have the air conditioning there, but he's got the lift and I don't have the lift.
Lights are easy to fix though.
Which we need to install these in your garage.
I'm down.
Oh, by the way, I sell those. I know a lot of you ask, where can I buy those? You can buy them on my website. So go to the garage section. Oh, and we start adding a bunch more products. So be on the lookout. More and more products will be added very soon. So stay tuned for that.
And we're also trying to organize the website better.
Yes.
So that it's easier to navigate.
Yeah, I apologize that these are all things that I just seriously never have had time to do because it's been a one-man show trying to do 85,000 things at once. And finally, for like the first time ever, it weirded me out. He took care of an order this morning. I was like, whoa, I didn't have to do anything. I kind of was like, is that work? Okay, I guess. Also, we had this other idea. Tell me what you guys think. We're thinking about hosting a live video every Thursday at 8 p.m. Central. Like the two of us
Just
are
to chit chat with everybody.
Just a chit chat, yeah. Like we thought this would allow us to talk about stuff going on with the channel. We could talk about cars that are for sale in the Garage Queen once that's live. We could talk about our projects. We can get ideas from y'all. Just give you an opportunity to ask us questions and stuff. So
And just chat about anything too.
Yeah,
Like
so-
Paul Walker's Supra just sold.
yeah,
For like
yeah, yeah.
$500,000.
$500,000 bucks. Yeah, cool stuff like that. So let's just talk about car stuff every Thursday, 8 p.m.
To 9 p.m., just an hour.
8 to 9. So this Thursday, so 2 days from today, mark your calendars and come join us. You will want to stay tuned for the first project vehicle. Those videos will be coming out very, very soon. So I guess we're going to be doing more car stuff, and it's going to be
Sweet!
sweet.